In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free seeds and grow a garden on Roblox. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top menu and press over here where it does say seeds. And if we go ahead and press on the E key on our keyboard, you will notice that we will have a bunch of different seeds on sale. Now, of course, we can go ahead and purchase it using the in-game currency, but we can also go ahead and use Robux. So it's really important that you guys understand that we have two different ways to actually purchase seeds, and that is through Robux and through in-game currency. All right, now that we're done with that, let's go ahead and proceed to the next step. So the next thing you want to do is you actually want to go ahead and open up any web browser. I personally recommend using Google Chrome, and by the way, you could do this both on a mobile device or on a desktop. I'm personally going to be doing it on a desktop because I do think it is a little bit easier for you guys to understand if I'm using it on a desktop. But anyways, guys, once you're over here, all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar, and then from there, all you want to do is you want to look up Microsoft Rewards, then go to the official link over here. It's going to say rewards.bing.com. And once you're done with that, it is now going to go ahead and bring you to a page that looks like this, and you want to go ahead and press on sign in. And by the way, if you never made a Microsoft account before, do not worry, it is incredibly easy to make one, and it doesn't take that long either, and it is totally free, guys. So make sure to go ahead and create a Microsoft account, and basically this allows us to do tasks, and in exchange we will get points. And once we go ahead and accumulate enough points, we can redeem it for gift cards, including a Roblox gift card, which we could then use on Grow a Garden in order to get seeds. So all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and scroll down, and you will notice that we have multiple different tasks that we can go ahead and do. We can do things like learn a song, we can do daily polls and stuff like that. And the key to success really is consistency. You want to make sure that you do this every day so that you're able to get as much points as possible. This is not one of those things where you can do it on or off, where you can do it like a couple days yes, a couple days no. If you really want to get seeds on Roblox, then I really suggest using this website on a consistent basis. And of course, it is backed by Microsoft. And let me just break it down. You are essentially using Microsoft products, and in exchange, they're going to give you points, which you can then use in order to get prizes. So I hope that does make sense. And I kind of just want to explain that relationship so that you guys are kind of able to understand why this platform even exists. And yep, once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go to the top menu, then press over here where it does say redeem. Then once you're over here, please go ahead and scroll down, and Roblox card, like the Roblox digital card, is actually pretty high up in the list, so it really shouldn't be too difficult to find. And then from here, you guys can go ahead and select on how much Robux you need, and then it is going to give you like a little progress bar, and it is going to let you know how many points you actually do need in order to redeem it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.